In this tutorial I will show you how to make tassels without a tassel maker. Find an old thank you card or a birthday card, and if you don't have any, additionally you can use a carton from any packaging. Just make sure the carton is not too soft or too bendy, and have your carton half by horizontally or vertically. This will be the length of your tassel. Now we take a pair of scissors and cut on folded side a little bit. It will also be the top of the tassel. Cut a string of yarn. If your string of yarn is too long, place inside the card and keep a short edge on the dominant side of your hand. Place yarn over, insert a short tail inside the card, it will be out of our way, and start wrapping around the card. If you need to make more than one tassel, make sure you count your wraps around for tassel to be the same size. I have completed my 30 wraps around the card. Cut the yarn, pull the string, and tie it with the 2 knots. Remove the card. Will also center my knot. Take scissors and cut. Now shape your tassel into a better shape. This tassel cannot be brushed, therefore I use a hook to shape into a better shape. If you can brush your yarn, use the brush instead. Cut a string of yarn. The length of your yarn will depend on if you want to wrap around the tassel. Tie it only once. Now cross at the back, left goes to the right side and the right goes to the left side. This will help you to tie easier at the front again. Now tie twice. Take one end and wrap a few times. Now make a loop. It can be crossed or not crossed. Make sure the end of the string faces towards the top of your tassel. Take another end of the string and wrap it around. And insert through the loop. Pull the ends. You can see the loop gets smaller and disappear totally. You can cut the top end of the yarn, or you can take tapestry needle and hide it inside the tassel. You can hold firmly with one of your hand and trim it. Or you take a piece of your card or paper, have a straight side on the side you want to cut, firmly wrap your tassel, pull a little bit, and cut with a straight line. Voila! Thank you for watching. I hope you've had a great experience. I'm looking forward to working with you on the next project. For those who are new to my channel, if you would like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your daily evening, and I will see you soon.